Hello again, I'm Blunty, and it's time once more to learn about the hideous creatures that live in Australia. This is a cassowary. The cassowary is a large flightless bird that lives in the tropical northern forests of Australia and New Guinea. They dine mostly on fruits, but will also eat a range of plant matter, even insects and small reptiles and mammals. The cassowary is a hideous and hateful bastard of a bird, and like most things that live in Australia, if you piss it off, it can totally kick the shit out of you. It will also peck at its own arsehole, take a big steamy wet shit on the ground, and then eat its own shit. Ew. To wrap up, the cassowary is an ugly, angry, shit-eating, crazy giant bird. Gross.